Hi everyone, welcome today on Tuesday, March the 17th, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku in this case. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with the 4. 4 in the last column, 4 in this column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for a 4 is here, here, or there. But I see here a 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be here. And in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. I see there 3. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 3. Should be this one. Then a 3 in this column, a 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then in this big square, the 3, we have a 3 here. No 3 in these 3 boxes. And see there are 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in this last column, we have a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. In the column next, we have a 3 over there. So in this column, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then I see in this big square 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be this one. The other 2 numbers are 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2. Should be this one. Then six in this row. 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be here. Yes. Because we have a 5 here. That means there cannot be a 5 in the middle row in one of these 3 boxes. So the 5 should be here or there in one of these 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in this row, a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be here. Alright. Then we have 6, yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. I see here a 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. I see there 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. One box remains for the 6, should be this one. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for a 6 is here, here, or there. But we have a 6 here, no 6 there. I see there a 6, so no 6 here. Only place for the 6 should be here. Yes. These 3 numbers in this column, the missing numbers are 4, 7, and 9 in this column. 4, 7, and 9. And I see here a 7 and a 4, so no 4 and a 7 here. 1 digit left for the 9. So here we have a pair 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. We have in this big square a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 4 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square, for the numbers 9 and 1, we have a 9 there, so no 9 here, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 numbers, I told you earlier, one of these 2 is a 5, but it's a pair. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5, and I cannot fill this yet. These 2 numbers in this row, the numbers 1 and 3, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and 3, 7 and 5. These 2 numbers, the 4 and the 1. No. The 4 and the 9. The 4 and the 9. We have a 4 here. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Then in this column, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 3 places for a 4 is here, here, and there. But we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 嗯 Alright. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the third row, the only 3 places for a 6 is here, here, or there. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 3. Alright. Can we do something with these numbers? 1, 2, 2, 2, no, and no, I need to wait. Yes, the 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 is here and there, but we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 9 is here or there. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then the first row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. The other 2 numbers are 8 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 2 is here or there. But we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In this big square, the 2 is missing in one of these 4 empty boxes. We have a 2 there, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2, should be this one. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 2 is here. Then 1 box is missing in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there. And the 3 goes here. Then 1 missing number in this row for the number 7, yes. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there, but we have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 missing number in this last column for the number 5. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 8. 1 missing number in this last row for the number 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But we have an 8 there, no 8 here, 8 should be there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 3. Then oh, my mic is gone. All right, now then 1, 5, 1, 5 and 3. Can it do something with the 3? No. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But we have a 3 there, no 3 here, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there, but we have a 3 there, so no 3 here, 3 should be there. one missing number in this row for the number 5, one missing number in this big square for the number 1, one missing number in this column for the number 5, two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. One missing number in this big square for the number 1. And the last two numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright people, if you like this medium Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Download a PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you are not in isolation. Anyway, tomorrow is a new episode, so join us and I will see you tomorrow. And probably there will be 3 Sudokus. So we will meet you tomorrow. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.